we must invest in the workplace where majority of the people spend most of their time in. And most of the problem at the workplace comes all the way from their lives in their families, their lives in the workplace, and we must get what we call the work-life balance. And so we are urging all stakeholders, and when we mean stakeholders, we are looking at the employees, the employers, and the community in general, that they must come up with policies which looks at ways to reduce all what we call psychosocial hazards. When I talk of psychosocial hazard, I mean a work environment which is not conducive, because it will make an individual no longer be very active. So we are urging employers to try and come up with policies. And already as a ministry, we have a policy which urge employers to come up with workplaces which are friendly, good environment which mitigate on the risk factors of mental illnesses.
We will continue to cooperate with the counties in order to make sure that issues related to mental health are tackled very well. We will continue to capacity build, that's one of our functions, offer technical assistance as said earlier, and also develop the relative policy directions and guidelines that create an enabling environment for us to achieve our mandate.
Sisi ndio familia yao, ni sisi tunawaangalia. Wakiwa wagonjwa ni hospitali tunawatibu, hata magonjwa ingine. Chakula ni sisi tunawapatia. Hata wakati wanaitwa na Mungu, ni sisi, ni familia yetu, ni kama vile unaweza kuwa na watoto wako. Sasa vile tungetaka ni wale madhare, the national government, wale walituletea hawa watu, wawe wanatusaidia.